Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In my previous video I showed thee about the amazing software named IObit driver booster, so after getting these amounts of views I thought that I should make a new video about how to crack IObit driver booster for free. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your browser and go to this website. When you reach my website, click on the first link or file you see. You can watch my previous video about IObit, the link is provided there. Don't worry, the process is just to copy and paste. After scrolling you can see a link through which you can download original version of IObit. After clicking on the link you will be redirected to IObit download page. Click on the green icon to download. Down and you can see a media file link there. You need to copy that link and paste in a new tab. Now, click on the green icon to download crack file. The size is only 2.66 MB. You can extract it when download is completed. The password of the file can be seen on the screen. After extracting you can open it. After open you can see all the cracked file. These files are cracked by me, so copy all the files you see. Before copying make sure that IObit is not running in the background. If it is so, then close it. Again, copy all the files you see and go to the IObit file location and paste. Sorry, I am doing process slow because it makes my video easy to edit. Please leave a like in this video. Congratulations! Now you have successfully cracked IObit booster. Open IObit through file. Now you can see it is successfully registered IObit booster for free. Hope you like my video. This is my humble request, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that I get motivation to make more helpful videos.